What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back with another massive video. Today, guys, I'll be showing you the most exciting, fantastic, easy way of depositing into the Bybit platform. You'll get to see how it's as quick as 1, 2, 3. It's an easy process whereby you can do it in just under few seconds. So please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And also, if you are new to this channel, become our subscriber and make sure we share the rest of the video with the rest of this world. Please stick with the video. I'm on the Bybit platform. Always remember, guys, you have to make sure that you are on the right URL. Also take note of this. This is the correct Bybit URL. And also you have to understand that for you to be able to buy your cryptos in an easy way, the fantastic way, the fastest way, you have to log in first. So you have to create your account. So create your account using the link below in the description, and also make sure that you click on the right buttons that I will show you. So let's dive deeper into it. You make sure that you guys understand. As you can see, this is the correct and authentic Bybit account. So log in. By you logging in, you are making sure that you're looking into the right account. Make sure you have the correct email address and you have your password as well. And now we'll be logging into the platform. As you can see, it's verifying, and all you have to do is slide this to make sure it verifies you as the owner. And now, remember, guys, you have to download a Google Authenticator on your smartphone, either if you're using an iPhone or you're using an Android. So you'll get your verification code. I'll be entering my verification code now. This enables you to secure your account and make sure that other people are not able to access your account for fraudulent activities. I actually like this feature. It makes sure that everyone is secured and no one can log into your account without having your smartphone or having your password. Now we're gonna start with the first step, which you click on buy crypto. And then once you click on buy crypto, you'll see you have a one-click buy, P2P, a fiat deposit. So you click on this one, and then here you can see we are having bank transfer as the default. Make sure that you click on this arrow, and then it will display this recommended, and then click on more third-party service providers. This gives you an option to add your card details, or if you are using Google Pay, you are able to use your Google Pay details. So it's a quick way of understanding. So I'll click on credit card, or you can also click on bank transfer, but I like using the credit card. Click on credit card. Credit card. And here it's 1,000. I'll stick to this 1,000 rand, which will be giving me 55.1267 USDT. Then I'll click on buy. As you can see, we are having this amount that I want to spend, and I will receive it in USDT. That way you can be able to compare the rates here. You can see with Banga, we are having 18 rands 0.14 per USDT, and with Mercurio you are having 18.74 ZAR per USDT. So you can see with MoonPay, it's the most expensive one. So let us stick with the cheapest one, which is Banga, or you can say Bangsa. Some people can pronounce it as Bangsa. And also you can see with the utmost that this is the cheapest form of deposit. So you can see we are left with this one. So let's click on I read and agreed to the disclaimer. Make sure you read the disclaimer so that you don't get any surprises later on and say, no, but I didn't know about this. All the information is provided here, and you can also select the different ways that you're comfortable with. But I prefer using the Banksy, which is the most cheapest one, and look at how much you'll be getting. So you can see it fluctuates as time goes. You can see, remember, we are having 55 and now we are having 51.94 USDT. So the market is not standing still. So you just click on continue. So all this amount is inclusive of transaction fees. You can see now we are on Banksa or Bybit platform where we'll be able to create your order. So you can see here, we'll click on our Visa. You can see now you pay 1,000 rands to receive 51.78 USDT. So click on bank card. Then you can see now it reduces because of the the charges. So it reduces. You can see now we'll be receiving 49.63, and then with the bank card, it's more. So a gateway fee is 0%. So let's use this as we like to use our credit card. Then we'll say create an order. You can see network fee 89.14 ZAR, gateway fee 99.52 ZAR, and 49.63 USDT, which is 962.34 ZAR from 1,000 rand. So it's charged as a commission. Create an order. Then I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. You click here, and then here you enter your email address. With this one, you enter your cell phone number. Always remember that you are using the right code for your country. You can see we have different codes for the country. So for South Africa, we have as +27. This is our code. Then we click on confirm. See here, click put in your personal details. As you can see, mine, you put in your details here. If you have a middle name, you put it there. And then this is where you put your last name. And here you put your date of birth. You can put the year. Make sure all this information is correct and is the same information as the one that you used in opening your Bybit account. And you click on your address, and then you can also click on the city or suburb that you reside in. And after you click that, you will click this submit verification. And this one is your country. This is your state in South Africa, or you can also put in your country as well. So in South Africa, the be Gauteng. You can put it your suburb as well here. Street and name. Then you select your month and your date. Then you can see now the submit verification is orange now. So it's a green button. So now you can click on submit verification. Make sure you double check all your information, guys, so that you don't put in the wrong information. So now we are on the card details. So now here you'll put in your card details, your name in front of your bank card or your credit card, and then your card number. So here you put in your card number, and then here you put in the expiry date, and then here you put in your security code, which is at the back of your card. Make sure that card you don't share with anyone else. That card is very important because people can do online purchases, and you can choose to remember my card details for faster or future purchases. Then you will click on continue. It's as easy as that, and then you will be having a positive balance on your Bybit account. Thank you for tuning in. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Please, guys, share the video with your friends and family so that we can get much bigger community and get them into investing in crypto. Peace.